I had just moved into a new apartment when strange noises started echoing through the hallway at night. At first, I thought it was just the building settling, but as the nights went by, it grew louder and more persistent. One evening, I decided to stay awake and watch. Past midnight, I saw a dark figure glide slowly past my door, stopping right in front of it. I could hear heavy breathing, but when I opened the door, there was no one there. The floor in front of my door was wet, like someone had been standing there. After that night, the noises never stopped. Every evening, I hear someone pacing outside my room, but the shadow never returned.